What's up, world? Welcome to Yields with Yodi. You know me, we get straight to the point. As you can see from my screen, today I'm going to be talking about options. I'm going to be talking about a Walt Disney play that I gave out today as an option call. It's currently up about 50%. And I'm going to tell you guys why I made this play. But before I do that, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe, and click the little notification bell. It'll help keep this channel alive. Also, if you want my buy and sell alerts, guys, join the Discord. Trust me, you won't regret it. I've been hitting it out the park. Let me show you this current play that I'm talking about. So in my Discord, I sent an alert at around 11:39 a.m. This is a swing play. Have a 30 to 50% stop loss. And there was a Disney $180 price target expiring August 6th. The premium was 1.76, which you have to times by 100, which equals $176. That's how much I paid for this contract. And this contract is currently worth right now $2.62, which you times by 100 is going to equal $262. That's about a 50% return. And it's still going because the chart still looks pretty good. So let's see how it does later on today. This is a swing play, meaning you can hold overnight. Usually if you're scalping or it's a day trade, you buy and sell the contract within the same day. A swing trade means you hold overnight or for multiple days. Also, I made a community post and I wrote which type of video y'all want next. Out of 364 votes, 66% said they want Safemoon and 34% said they want options. So I'm going to try to switch it up. I'm going to try to do both. I know most of my followers are crypto, but I also have to please my paid subscribers that I have in my Discord, and they want options videos. So I'm going to try to make more options video. Also, make sure you guys check out this video I made about July 25th, about 2-3 days ago. In this video, I showed you guys how I made a 940% return in as little as 20 minutes. So guys, make sure you go on my YouTube and check this video out as well. Very informative. All right, now let's get straight to the point. All right, so I took a look at Disney. The chart didn't look too bad. First thing I always do, I check out the 1 day, then I'll check out the 1 hour, then I'll check out the 5-minute chart. Sometimes I use the 1 week or the 1 month. Also, I use the EMAs. These are these lines right here. I use the 5, the 20, the 50, the 100, and the 200. And I also use the RSI, and I use the MACD. Those are the 3 things I use. If you want to know more in detail what an EMA is, let me find a definition for you guys. It's an exponential moving average. An exponential moving average is a type of moving average that places a greater weight and significance on the most recent data points. The exponential moving average is also referred to as exponentially weighted moving average. And exponentially weighted moving average reacts more significantly to recent price changes than a simple moving average, which is called a SMA, which applies an equal weight to all observations in the period. So a lot of people tend to use more of the SMA. I'm a day trader. I'm a volume trader, so I tend to use more of the EMAs than the SMA. So the key takeaways: the EMA is a moving average that places a greater weight and significance on the most recent data points, unlike the SMA that places greater weight on prior data points. Like all moving averages, this technical indicator is used to produce buy and sell signals based on crossover and divergence from the historical average. Traders often use the several different AMA lengths, the 10, the 50, and the 200. Like I said, I tend to use the 5, the 20, the 50, the 100, and the 200. I sometimes tend to use the 10. Also, I use the RSI and I use the MACD, but I mainly just use price action and the EMAs and volume. Volume is very important. So RSI is basically, if it falls under 30, it means it's being oversold, and most likely buyers will jump in and bring the price back up. Vice versa. If it gets close to 70 or over 70, it means it's being overbought. And that's when the sellers start to sell. As you can see, they started selling a little bit. And then the MACD is pretty much when the blue line crosses over the orange line, it means it's bullish. And when the blue line crosses under the orange, pretty much means that it's bearish. All right, so first thing I did was I drew my trend line. I saw we had like a little downtrend right here. Boom, I drew my trend line. I then saw that the downtrend, it broke out. It broke out the downtrend. It went up. The 5 EMA crossed over the 50, the 20, and the 100, which usually means it's bullish. As you can see, it started going up. And then the EMA started crossing under, which usually tends to mean that it's bearish. Also, as you can see from the trend line, you started seeing that the price went below it, but then the next day it went above it, and then it pretty much just started bouncing off this trend line. So once I start seeing the 1 day, what I tend to do after the 1 day, I jump right into the 1 hour chart. So I saw the 1 hour chart. I then saw that the 5 EMA started going over the 20 EMA. It went over the 50, and then it went over the 100 and the 200 EMA, which are all bullish signs. And I saw that the candles started bouncing off the 50 and the 100 EMA. Bounced here and then it bounced here. So when it bounced here, it means it's a pretty good area of support. The EMAs can also be areas of support and resistance. So I love EMAs. So what I decided to do, I drew a little trend here. All right, so I saw a little bull flag, so I drew it. I then went into the 5-minute chart. All right, so then I went into the 5-minute chart. To be honest, I kind of jumped the gun, but I knew I wasn't gonna day trade. I knew it was gonna be a swing trade. The chart looked pretty bullish, it looked pretty good. So I sent out my alert at around 11:40. Usually 90% of the times I wait for the breakout and I wait for good volume. But hey, it paid off. And because we got in at around, $177.70, and because Disney went up about $2, we're now currently up 50%. So again, this was a great trade that I gave today. The market was pretty beaten up. All the futures were down. The QQQ, the SPY, everything was pretty much down. So this is a great trade to do. Right now, let me go back to the 1 day. Let me show you guys that there's now an ascending triangle, which is another bullish sign. It usually means the price is gonna jump up, which is pretty good. But again, don't ever assume, just wait for confirmation. As you can see, it definitely broke out, which is a bullish sign. So this is the next area of resistance. So this could potentially run up there. Will it happen? We don't know. But that's the next area where sellers start to jump in. This is where people start to take profits. As you can see, boom, they took profits, took profits, took profits, took profits, took profit. All right, guys, so that's the reason why I gave out this play today. If you guys want more content like this, if you guys want more option videos instead of crypto videos, let me know. Drop it in the comment section. If you want me to go over any type of strategy, there are multiple strategies out there, guys, please let me know. If you like this content, please hit the like button, subscribe, and click the little notification bell. Again, if you want my buy and sell alerts, guys, join the Discord. Trust me, you won't regret it. I've been hitting it out the park. Use my Weeble link, deposit $100, and you get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,200. Use my Coinbase link, you get $10 worth of Bitcoin, and I get $10 worth of Bitcoin. That's going to be all, guys. Thank you for your time. Peace.